Ayun na, nagamit natin yung sasakyan ni Sarge. Tingnan natin, susubukan natin to. Saan ba kambyada nito? Ayun, no? Naka-neutral tayo, ha?
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and miss
Hindi tayo marunong dito, man. Bakit?
down from across the room. Damn,
ayaw mag-start na ako marunong.
I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Wala. Paano to? Patay, hindi tayo marunong dito, guys. Hindi ko alam paano yung start to. Wala.
I'm falling fast, and you're praying that the night's gonna last.
Hindi ko alam to.
You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Talagang pinahirapan ako. Wala, hindi mag-start eh. Oh. Ayaw. Ba't ganun?
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Itu kan daro din. Namandaran. Ini go go din. Dadaan mo yun. Ha? Dadaan mo tanda yun. Enggak ba? Adios, Sarso. Adios, Sarso. Sarge, hindi ko ma-start, Sarge, hindi ko ma-start. Amin? Hindi ko ma-start. Ha? Clutch? Yung ano? Clutch ang apakan.
I think about others, wait for myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Clutch na, tapakan mo yung clutch lahat yung...
Focus on yourself first.
Okay. Tapos neutral tayo. Primero tayo. Yun. Nandito yung ano niya. Ayun. Ayun. Bilis ng ano. Bilis ng hatak niya. Bilis ng hatak niya lang. Ito yung isasakay natin. Ito sila. Atras Nen din. Len. Oh. Ayun, napatakbo natin siya guys. Kahala ko ano na. Sabi ko kanina class ang apakan pero wala, di ba? Nabaguhan tayo sa sasakyan ni Sarge. Yun, tapa kami yung clutch para umandar. Ayaw umandar kanina. Sana, tangawin mo na, okay na. Bilisan na. Ay, tatagal ba? Tulak mo, tulak. Saan na yun? Ate, sana. Si mami mo. Tagal ba? Pawis na sila, oh. Huh? Okay na, dali na. Ingat. Ate, doon ka, lalay ka, ate. Oh? Oh, doon na lahat. Oh. Sakay na lang kayo. Oh, tara na. Grabe, Madam Lods. So yun. Wala pa, hindi ko alam. Tara na.
Itaas mo daw pa. Saan yung mga alalay ko?
Ah, wala kang alalay.
Sila, dalawa.
Oh. Ah, ayan na lalay dalawa. Oh. Sige, Kendra, Nicole, alalay. Ayan.
Kakasal tayo daw.
Ay, kakasal ka na. Sakay na. Doon kayo, bilis na.
Dito ka sa kabila. Sige,
Bilis na.
isarado mo.
Sakay. Dalawa na kayo dyan. Dala nyo. Sige na.
Isarado, wag na. Sige na. Tingin.
Grabe, mahirap itong ano ni Sarge. Sirado niya maayos, ha? O, tara na. Babalik na rin natin guys. Ayan na sila. Ano, sa unahan ka, Lin?
Hindi.
Ha?
Huli kayo.
Ay.
Oo, wag na. Atras ka. Oh, yung kid, si Kevin, sa amin, sa akin yan.